Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to host or deploy your Lovable project into Netlify. So all you need to do is open your Lovable account, make sure you are logged into your account, then go to your projects, select the project that you want to deploy online, and then go to your project and press on sync your project to GitHub, and then press on connect GitHub. Now you will press on connect on GitHub again. Then you need to input your username and password. You give a name to that repository on GitHub that you will create after adding your account to your GitHub account to Lovable. And then after doing everything here, you go here and then press on import from Git and then press on GitHub and then input your username and password. After connecting your GitHub account, now you need to choose the repository that you just created from Lovable and then deploy it. After you see all the files deployed and the deployment logs, all you need to do is press on publish and then your project will be published online using Netlify, and then of course you can track your logs and security scorecard and everything, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.